Hey guys, it's Surya. In the last 2 weeks, I taught you how to solve the axis cube, but somehow I just forgot to mention the parity situation for it, which is basically where one center is twisted off 180 degrees. So this video just teaches you how to do that. Yeah, sorry about the confusion. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so the parity situation of the axis cube is where you've solved everything, but there's one center that's just twisted 180 degrees. Looks like this. It's not a situation that we have in the 3 by 3. I know the axis cube is a shape mod of the 3 by 3, but in the 3 by 3 the centers are all symmetrical, so you never encounter it. So this is relatively easy to solve. We have a short algorithm for this, and it's pretty useful to know in the Fisher cube as well, which is also a shape mod of the 3 by 3. Over here we have some asymmetrical centers. I don't know if you ever end up in a situation where you've accidentally twisted one of these by 180 degrees, then it's just good to know. So let's get into it. So you just hold the center on the top, and here's what you do. Right side clockwise, up clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, up clockwise. Just repeat this 5 times, so 4 more times. So just keep doing it until it gets solved. And there you go. That solves it. Let's just do it for this as well. Just hold it on the top and there you go. So that's how you solve the parity situation for the axis cube.